Now students, please take out your cursive workbook, and in cursive workbook you have to open page number 10 and 11. As you can see, the page number 1010 and 1111, and please mention today's date over here, that is also 29/10/20. Please click on classwork, and here you have to do the same page for homework. Okay, so please take on homework. Now students, here we are going to learn a new pattern. Okay, you can say this is cursive L. Okay, now for that, again I'm just going to tell you, we have to start with this green dot and we have to stop with to this red dot. Start with green dot, stop to the red dot. So for this pattern, we have to start from this green dot, and this third line, that is blue one, go to the red line. Okay, now please start making this with me. Keep a pencil on this green dot. Okay, and go up to the red line, then take a little bit curve and make one standing line. Then again go up to the red line, take a little bit curve towards the left hand side, make one standing line, slant line, again a slant line, go up to the red line. Okay, then take a curve and come down, again go up to the red line, take a curve towards left hand side, make a standing line, and go out and stop to the red dot. And make sure you have to draw this only 4 times. 1 2 3 4. Fine students. Now let's do the next one. In the same way you have to do. Start with this dot, go up to the red line, come down, then again go up to the red line, curve and down, again go up to the red line, curve and down to the blue line, again go up, curve, come down, and go out and stop to the red dot. Students, in the same way you have to follow the formation and do it slowly, the tracing work. Okay, make sure your line should not be break, and you have to touch to the proper red line and proper blue line. Fine. As I am doing, in this way you have to do it. Fine. Now here I am going to show you how to write without dots. Okay, so let's start with this blue dot, then go up to the blue line, red line, take curve and come down, again go up, curve and down, go up, curve and down, go up, curve and down, and stop. In this way you have to do all these dots and lines. Here I have taken curve wrongly, so I just use eraser. In this way you have to follow the pattern, and you have to write your work in a very good handwriting. Fine students. Make sure you have to do only 4 times. See, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, stop. Okay, now again 1 2 3 4, stop. 1 2 3 4, stop. Okay, these patterns will help you to write in cursive writing and will help you to improve your handwriting in cursive. Fine students, so make practice as more as you can. Okay, so the upper portion is completed. Now come to the lower portion. Fine. Here as you can see, some formation is there, some pattern is there, that is correlated to letter J. Okay, cursive J. But in cursive writing we will start cursive J from the third line, that is blue one. But these are only patterns. Okay, and in cursive J we will put dots also. Here dots are not mentioned, so we have to just follow the patterns only. Okay, now for doing this pattern you have to start with second line, that is blue one, start with green, go to the up to the red line, come down, take a curve and go slant. Again standing line, curve and go slant, down, curve and go slant, standing line, curve and stop. Fine. This is also you have to make it for 4 times. Okay, like this. Oh, it is little bit wrong, so on that time you have to use eraser, but make sure your curves and your pattern should not be wrong. Fine. Do it slowly so that you can identify the pattern on tracing, and after that you can do on without dots. Okay, without tracing. See, only 2 dots are given, one green and one red. So let's start with green one. Go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down and stop. Again, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, stop. Okay students, in this way you have to complete this page. Fine, as I am doing, you have to do also in this way only. Okay, make sure your line should be touched to the red line and blue line only. Okay, don't leave in between and don't go outside the lines also. Okay, so you have to take these things in your mind and do your work in a very good handwriting, and you can submit this work by Monday also. Okay, so this is not required that you have to send this work only on same day. This work you can send on Monday also. See students, my pattern writing is completed. Okay, so in this way you have to complete your page. Fine, and when you will complete this page number 10, then you have to complete the page number 11 also. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.